Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete friends in Monopoly Go. In order to delete a friend in Monopoly Go, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application on your device, and once you are in the home page, navigate to the Friends tab at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up the Friends and Family tab, where you need to tap on Leaderboard and make sure that you're inside the Friends tab. Now all of your friends will be displayed on the page. Select one of the friends you would like to remove from the friend list and tap on their profile picture. In the pop-up, click on the three dots in orange and click on Remove. Confirm that you'd like to remove the friend from your friend list by tapping Remove once again. And right after you do that, you will be able to delete a friend from your friend list. That way you can keep your friend list clean and organized by removing inactive or unwanted players. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.